How to connect social account in Buffer. So first go to your account and then you can see all the channels here. So if you want to see more, you can just click on show more. And then you can just select which one of this here of the channels here that you're going to connect your social media account in. So for example, I'm going to connect my Instagram here. Just click on Instagram. And then you can just choose whether you want to connect personal or professional. Okay, so as for me, I'm just going to connect my personal account. Click on connect a personal account. And then you can just type in your account name or your Instagram username. So I'm going to type in my username here. And then you can just click on continue, or before you click on continue, there's an avatar optional here. If you want to upload an image here, you can do that. And then you can just click on continue after that. And then here, if you want to set up notifications, you can do that. As for me, I'm just going to do it later. So click on remind me later. And then it'll refresh. And then let's just skip this. And there you go. Now I've connected my social media account here, which is Instagram. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.